Okay, here's a short video on the emergency brake system for the 1970 GTO frame-off restoration. So you can see it comes with a few cables. I did get the one that is stainless steel. And here's the clip. That'll go back on, the body goes on. It goes through this hole right here, right by the body mount. And then it comes out right down here behind the fuel line, and there is a little clip in there. It's tough to see because it's black. And then the line runs over top of the cross member and connects to the main cable. Now all that's just finger tight right now until I get it adjusted. And I do have two holes over here, and that long bracket is holding the cable over here. And that line does attach to the bracket right there, and then it also has a clip on this brace, and then that runs down, it's tough to see, to the rear brakes. Now this one is not finished yet on the driver's side, so you can see this cable comes through, runs over top the control arm, and then it does tie in, and it clips in right here, and that's where it'll tie into the brake system. I will put this side on this weekend, and I'll have the both rear brakes finished. Alright, I'll have other videos on other topics on this 1970 GTO restoration.